So now we can calculate load. So before calculating load, we create some zones. So first of all, we create zones of these. So first of all, for creating zones, we click on this zone options, and after clear on the zone, select this edit, and now add zone spaces. So this is our space, so we can add this space. Similarly, we have this lobby space, and this is reception space. So we only create one zone because of dining hall, and one zone for and lobby. We create a zone of these three spaces. Zone is a group of spaces, or we can create a zone by adding different spaces. So we name this zone, this is our one zone number one. And now from services type, here we can select services type. So here we supply we have a ducting system, so and we can control it with dual duct system. VAV mean variable air volume, so we use variable air volume and dual duct system. So here we set cooling set temperature. So we have cooling set temperature is 25, and cooling air temperature 12 centigrade, and humidity we can control humidity up to 60% or 50% relative humidity, and set OK. So this is our first zone number one, and then we finish this. So we have one zone, this is zone number one. Now we click here, so here we create different zones. So we click on here on zone option, so we can edit this. So we create one zone of all these rooms with this lobby, and this is our zone number two. And we have building type, we also we use here fan coil units, and then cooling set temperature is 22 centigrade, and relative humidity 52. We have 50 to 70% relative humidity, so we set 50 or 60 is okay set, and this for this, and then click here. Now we create another zone of these executive rooms, so we select spaces, and similarly here we also install this fan coil units, apply, and then set OK. So this is zone number 3. We have here zone number 3, and now we have one zone of exercise area. So we create this with single zone exercise number room area. This is zone number 4, and here we use VAV dual duct system, and then apply this OK. So after creating these zones, we have 4 zone. This is, we have one zone number 1, second zone is this, third zone is this one, and fourth one is this. So after that we can now how we can calculate load. So for calculating load, we select here system analysis. You go to the system analysis option, so create this, select this option. After this you have HVAC system load and sizing, so we can select this option, and here is setting. So we can also set these, like we have ground plane level 0, level 1, both we can select this, and then select OK, then analyze report. So now in this way we can create report. So here is report option, this is analysis report. So now we create this report latest. So now our result is calculating, it takes some time. So in next video we will discuss about the report analysis.